Today, we've got a really satisfying geometry problem that combines right triangles with incircles. Here's what we're working with. A right triangle with the right angle in the bottom left corner, and inside, there's a circle that perfectly touches all three sides. That's our incircle. We know the radius is 1, and the hypotenuse is 6. Our mission? Find the area of this triangle. If you want to give this a try, then please pause the video now. Otherwise, let's dive in. First, let's set up our triangle. I'll call the two legs A for the height and B for the base. The hypotenuse, which we know is 6, sits opposite the right angle. Now here's our incircle, with a radius of 1, sitting snugly inside, touching all three sides. We need two key formulas that relate the incircle to our triangle. The first formula connects the area to the incircle for any triangle. The area equals r times s, where r is the in radius and s is the semi-perimeter. That's half the perimeter. For our triangle, the semi-perimeter is s equals a plus b plus 6 divided by 2. Since r equals 1, our area formula becomes a equals 1 times a plus b plus 6 divided by 2, which can be simplified to a plus b plus 6 divided by 2. But we also know for a right triangle, the area is simply a equals half times a times b. So we can write a times b divided by 2 equals a plus b plus 6 divided by 2, which simplifies to a times b equals a plus b plus 6. Here's a beautiful formula specifically for right triangles. R equals a plus b minus c divided by 2, where c is the hypotenuse. We know r equals 1 and c equals 6, so 1 equals a plus b minus 6 divided by 2. Then we can multiply both sides by 2 to get 2 equals a plus b minus 6. And if we add 6 to each side, a plus b equals 8. Awesome! We just found that our two legs add up to 8. Now let's bring it all together. We have a plus b equals 8 from the in radius formula, and a times b equals a plus b plus 6 from our area equations. Substituting the first equation into the second, we get a times b equals 8 plus 6, which equals 14. And remember, the area of our right triangle is a equals half times a times b. So half times 14 equals 7. The area of our triangle is exactly 7 square units. If you want more, then check out one of these videos next, and until next time, keep solving.